Good morning, everyone, and today I am going to tell the story of an astrologer's day. There was an astrologer who lived happily with his family and his children. He go to a market as he was an astrologer. He take he see the one man's person and tell him that how that he live by seeing his the lines of his hands. Where he go, there were people's moving around, children's playing, and a balloon man. Many shops were surrounding with him, and an almond man who lived there by making his shop. He changed his shop names to give his to give his shop to give his shop's upper position. So he first so the almond man changed his name, his shop's name every day, like Raja's Delicacy, and another day Delhi Almonds, and another day the candy shop, another day the almonds shop, and etc. The the astrologer lived happily with his family, but one day when he was going to home by packing, it was about 9 p.m. He was packing his bag and going to his home. There he saw a man coming there, and then he told the man that he can make more money uh, by asking him this future, sorry, by telling him this future. Then the astrologers came tell him that come come man, I will tell you your future. Then the man come there and tell him that if you will give me my that by which purpose I have come here, and when will that person will live, that when will that person will live to me, I will meet him. Then the astrologers tell him the family that you have this much, that etc. Then that man said, wait, don't tell me this. You just tell me that when I will meet that person. Then when that person was, then a car passing away, then he see his face, then he knew that it was his friend that was searching himself. Then he starts saying that your name is Guru Nayak, and you come from the north and from the village that was in north direction. Then he said, yes, you make right. Then he said, I will give you 500 rupees if you will. That man said, I will give you 500 rupees if you tell my future. And then the astrologers tell him that you are Guru Nayak, you came from the man for searching him, that you were that the man who were attacked by you was attacked by a knife, and you were just pushed into the well, that and when some people came there, that you were rescued, and that people ran away. Then that person said that yes, you are right. Then that person said that when I will meet him, please tell me fast. Then the astrologer said that you will not able to meet him, that you will not meet him until in another world. Then I said, why I cannot meet him? Then the astrologer said that he is dead by pushing by under the lorry that was come over him. And then he said, oh, so that was a problem, so I cannot take him, so I cannot meet him to take my revenge. Then the astrologer said yes, and he tell the man that go as far as you much can, but not go to the northwest. You go to the south and take the train to go to south. And then the person gave him the rupees, and the astrologer go to home. Then when the astrologer went home, his wife asked him that why are so worried. I tell him nothing. Then she said that our girl is talking about some jaggery and coconut sweets, so can you brought them? Then astrologer said yes. And when they were going to sleep, he tell them that today he come here. Then she said, who come here? That he said, then the astrologer said that it was whom that I have attacked. He was my old friend, and I was just beneath that word. Thank you.